Innovation in today's world is one of the fundamental attributes for a growth of a company. Now, to protect that innovation, companies and individuals file patents. Now, when companies or innovators file a patent, the government gives you a monopoly right to enjoy the benefits of the protection of the patent for the next 20 years. First thing first, what is the patent? Now, say for example, you are an innovator or you are an innovating company, you come across a new idea and you want to file a patent or protect that invention. The first thing is you go and file a patent in the patent office. Now, when you file a patent in the patent office, the government examines your invention, and in return, they give you a monopoly right for you and for enjoying the benefits of the rights for the next 20 years. Now, how does the patent help you? First of all, it gives you exclusive rights. Second, it gives you the right to stop others from selling, copying, or misusing your invention without your permission. Now, that is something which every business or entrepreneur looks forward to having in the business. If you look at the top 10 companies in the world, most of them, they are innovation driven. And for sustaining in that high level, one thing they do is constantly file patents to protect their innovations. Now, some of the most transformative innovations which you can see is just near you. For example, look at your phone that was once patented. Look at the light bulb which was invented by Thomas Alva Edison, that was also patented. Look at the camera near you, that was also patented. Then you may ask, if they were patented, then how come so many other companies are manufacturing it? The idea is patents are given exclusive rights for 20 years. Now when these 20 years are over, everyone in the society is free to use it for the next innovation. If not for innovation purpose also, they can just copy and sell it, but for which 20 years are given exclusive rights to that inventor. Now, for filing a patent, three things are important, not just in India, but across the globe. First of all, your product or process or the idea has to be novel or new. Second, it should have an inventive step. And number three, it should be capable of industrial application. Now, anyone who is filing a patent should meet these three criteria. Now, as a patent professional, I work with a lot of entrepreneurs, innovators, and startup founders. One question which I often get is that if they file a patent in India, is that patent valid across all the other countries? As per the law, if you file just in India, your protection will only limit to India. If you want to have registrations in US, you have to file the patent in US also. Now, filing a patent can be a complex task, as it is a mix of legal language and technical points. I would always suggest professionals to seek out assistance from patent attorneys or patent agents in order to understand how to draft and file a patent. In that process, inventors will have a better chance of getting a grant for a patent. Last but not the least, innovation can come from anywhere. So I suggest all the creators and companies to look for new ideas, record them, and file the patents.
For any business, the key factor is brand for their growth. It plays a major role, and it is very important to have the legal rights to own and protect it under trademark law. The business owners put a lot of effort and hard work to keep the consistency of the quality of the product and to maintain the goodwill of the market of the product or services. And they invest huge amount of money to advertise and market to develop the brand to next level. Similarly, if you have a brand you develop, if you don't register it, you will not have any rights on it and you cannot enjoy the value for the brand. Under trademark, you can protect various elements. The word, the brand name, the logo, the color combination. Let's say current color combination, you can identify different banks from the distance of 2 or 3 kilometers. So the color combination also protected under trademark, and sounds can be protected under trademark, and the packaging designs with elements of graphical element also can be protected under Trademark Act. And what is good brands? The brand should be coined or invented, or it can be a combination of two words, and there should not be any dictionary word in it. Those brands are considered as the strongest brand. And the brand can be avoided which are very generic in nature, or you can avoid the personal names or God's name or prohibited name which is given by the trademark registry itself. And the ownership of the brand is restricted to the specific jurisdiction where you do business or where you have registration. In case you establish your business to different countries, it is very important to have a registration for your brand in those specific countries. And there are various systems available. Under Madrid Protocol, there are 130 countries are part of it. You can have single international application and decide countries where you want to have a registration with paying a local government fee and the processing fee. So for any startup or business, intellectual property rights, it's a key for it. And under intellectual property rights, we have trademark and patent copyright. Let me come to the trademark. Trademark something is, you'll get a legal rights to own your brand. Let's say example, you have a brand Camel. If someone use Camel for a specific products, you can take an action against them. They should not use the Camel with adding prefix or suffix or phonetical resemblance to that. The ownership of a brand will be given by the trademark registration. It falls under intellectual property rights. Like before coining a brand, once you come out of the brand, approach a right attorney or to the trademark registry and check the name availability. If the name is available, then you start your business with the specific brand. If you are an existing business owner and you have a brand you are continuously using for many years, still it is very important to register your brand under trademark. So you can approach the trademark or IP attorneys and they will advise you to get it registered. The important fact of trademark is the first use. Whoever used the brand first, a prior user, they can claim the ownership on it. Let's say you're using a brand for 10 years, but you need to prove to the registry that you are using this brand consistently, continuously since from the inception till now, with the supportive documents of sale bills, advertising, promotion, all this together you can convince the registry, or you can prove to the registry that we are continuously using it. It establish the longest usage of the mark. It helps you to get the registration faster under Trademark Act.
See you all next week for another set of business opportunities lined up for you. See you all in the next episode for another exciting business opportunity.